Hey, what is up guys? Josh here for Yugatech, and if you've been scouring the internet for premium laptops recently, you may have spotted something that looks like this. It's actually Intel's latest Evo Platform, introduced for designs based on their 11th generation processors with Intel Iris Xe graphics. Now these guys partnered with top laptop manufacturers such as Asus, Acer, Lenovo, HP, and Dell to co-engineer an exciting lineup of premium laptops that are dedicated to keep up with you, whether it's for work, play, or leisure. A few days back, we actually posted something that may have caught your attention, and now we're finally gonna check out the Lenovo Yoga Slim 9i. And yes, this is an Evo verified laptop as well, so if you're on the hunt for a solid portable machine to get your work done, stick around and watch more. Alright, so first things first, it's important to know that all Intel Evo laptops have a thin and light design. And with that in mind, we still have to hand it over to Lenovo for the packaging. It comes in this really tiny box. And initially, I thought this was going to be a tablet or something, but no. It's a laptop, and everything you need is all going to be in here. Now opening the box up, you'll be first presented with the laptop itself covered in protective cloth. Let's just set that aside for now. Below that, you'll find a care guide since this does feature a leather cover. Moving on, pulling the tab underneath will reveal two more boxes. The smaller box contains a very compact 65-watt adapter, while the larger box holds the rest of your accessories, including the 3-pin plug, a Thunderbolt/USB-C 3-in-1 hub, your usual paperwork, and a little sampler trinket just to reiterate that this is indeed genuine leather. Now that that's done, let's get right to it. The Yoga Slim 9i is a pretty sleek and professional looking machine, boasting a shadow black leather design. And because that leather is the real deal, each finish is going to be unique and slightly different. It features an aerospace grade aluminum body, a full metal frame, and sticking true to its name, it comes at a thickness of just 14.6 millimeters and has a weight of about 1.2 kilograms thanks to its multi-layer carbon fiber coating. There are a total of 3 Thunderbolt 4/USB-C input-output connections, 2 on the left side and 1 more on the right. It's cool how you can use any of these 3 ports to charge the Yoga Slim 9i and has support for multiple display outputs. There's also a 3.5mm audio jack, and if you're worried about missing some ports, we've got a 3-in-1 hub that has USB-A, VGA, and HDMI outputs as well. Now opening the lid reveals the 14-inch touchscreen display. Colors are nice and vivid, have up to 500 nits of brightness, and comes in either Full HD or UHD configurations. This is really good for things like photo editing, and definitely will be a treat to watch music videos and movies with. Lifting up the screen also reveals the Intel Evo badge on the lower left corner. But there's more to it than just slapping this badge on, since in order for one to be called an Evo laptop, it has to have distinct top-of-the-line features, which we'll quickly break down for you. First, Intel Evo laptops should be equipped with Intel's 11th gen processors designed for thin and light laptops. The Lenovo Yoga Slim 9i has either an Intel Core i5-1135G7 or an Intel Core i7-1165G7 CPU, both sporting 4 cores and 8 threads. It leverages Intel's new SuperFin process technology to optimize power efficiency while maintaining top-notch performance and responsiveness. It also includes enhanced audio with CPU offload for background noise suppression, AI-accelerated background blur and video super resolution, the latest video decode, and has hardware support for Dolby Vision. As for memory, we have up to 16GB installed out of the box, and although it's obviously non-expandable, this should be more than enough to take on multiple tasks all at the same time. You'll find Intel Iris Xe graphics on board, which can provide up to 2.7 times faster photo editing and up to 2 times faster video editing versus competitive products, in addition to supporting 8K HDR displays and up to 4 simultaneous 4K HDR screens. This can even handle some graphically intensive games like Borderlands 3, Far Cry New Dawn, and Hitman 2, all at 1080p. We weren't able to try these titles ourselves, but being able to run competitive shooters like CSGO and even the highly acclaimed Genshin Impact smoothly is a great sign that you can still indeed game with an Intel Evo machine. You'll also find Intel Wi-Fi 6 on board, which is the latest in Wi-Fi technology, offering faster and more stable wireless connections with improved power efficiency and increased range. This is pretty important, especially for thin and light machines like the one we have now, since we can stay connected and worry less about any unnecessary interruptions. Intel Evo Platform laptops are also extra secure, as one of the requirements is biometric security. So if you see a laptop with the Intel Evo badge, you can expect it to have a fingerprint scanner or IR camera face recognition with Windows Hello. This allows for a faster, more convenient, and secure login. In our case, the Lenovo Yoga Slim 9i uses an IR camera to quickly log in the moment you flip the display up. And thanks to Intel's fast wake-up capabilities, the screen turns on in just about a second if you're coming from standby mode, letting you continue right from where you left off. And to tie it all together, Intel Evo laptops are known for their long battery life with fast charging capability. They usually boast at least 9 hours on a single full charge and can provide you with 4 hours worth of charge in less than 30 minutes. The Lenovo Yoga Slim 9i comes packed with a 63.5 watt-hour battery, and upon our tests, we were actually able to get 10.5 hours of web browsing and streaming, which is quite surprising for a 4K display. I've been using this guy for about a week now, and it's been a good tool for getting my work done. And I can say that confidently too because this is what I use to write and edit the video you're watching right now. Intel Evo Platform laptops start at 59,995 pesos, which is quite justifiable for the features you're getting. And again, since this is available in other brands such as Acer, Asus, HP, and Dell, you'll have quite a few options to choose from. As for the Lenovo Yoga Slim 9i, it starts at 99,995 pesos for the Full HD display variant with 512 gigs of storage, while the 4K display counterpart is priced at 119,995 pesos and is available in Lenovo exclusive stores, Yoga exclusive stores, and authorized resellers nationwide. There are different kinds of Intel Evo laptops with different price points. But if you're looking for a portable premium-looking laptop, then this is a good place to start. You get a nice genuine leather finish, a solid display, and of course, let's not forget Intel's 11th gen processors coupled with Intel Iris Xe graphics. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, but until then, what do you think about Evo laptops such as this machine? Let us know in the comments section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future uploads, and be sure to visit Yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Josh, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.